Hey, this is Megan Bowman with Stonehenge Technology Labs, creator of STOPWATCH, a business-to-business software as a service platform that's taken the CPG industry by storm. Why did we create it? Well, we don't like losing money, and we don't like to watch other people lose money. And we know that consumer packaged goods companies, Coca-Cola to Procter & Gamble, et cetera, don't have the means from the technology standpoint at this point to ensure profitability through new and emerging channels. And so when we moved here to Bentonville, Arkansas, we said we were going to tackle the online profitability issue for the world's biggest companies, and we're doing that one contract at a time. You know, one thing that's been really interesting in this journey is we've been working on the algorithmic formula in terms of how to build profitability across multiple channels for a good 6 years. When I talk with consumer packaged goods CEOs, CFOs, et cetera, over the period of time, they've always agreed that it's very important that they become profitable in these channels. But pre-COVID, it wasn't necessarily urgent. Online shopping, especially in the grocery industry, was growing at a 1 to 2% clip. And post-COVID, now we're at about 40 to 50%, as many of you guys understand. And so what's been interesting in terms of our positioning here in Northwest Arkansas is we went from a highly disruptive technology that we weren't sure if the industry was going to catch up with in terms of a value proposition. And again, not to sound opportunistic, because I know COVID's a horrible thing, but for our particular area of interest, essentially all of the people that said, hey, we'd love to talk to you again in a couple months, are now ringing off the hook, because 40 to 50% of their sales are now moving through an online channel. And it's important to make money when over half of your volume is moving through a channel that you haven't yet played in. Here at Stonehenge Technology Labs, we want to thank all of the entrepreneurs here in the area who work in different technology places. There's a lot of really great developer talent, a lot of really great analytical and supply chain talent as well. And what I love is that a lot of small business owners, especially in the technology industry, really have each other on speed dial. And so as long as we're not in a competitive space, we share information quite freely, and that just makes the whole ecosystem stronger. So that was an unexpected gift here while we're here, and we want to thank all of our customers from coast to coast. Not all of our customers have their offices here in Northwest Arkansas, but if you've got something in your shopping cart and you are buying it at Walmart, the likelihood that we work with them is pretty high. So thank you so much.